In this video, I'm going to show you how to make your phone screen stay on longer. So basically, if you find that your phone screen is timing out too quickly for you, there is a way to make that longer. And everyone's phone is going to be different. I'm using an Android phone and settings may look different to your settings. However, if you follow the path that I am taking, this should lead you to the setting that you need. So to make your phone screen stay on longer, we want to head to our settings. Okay, so go and find your settings app on your phone and go in to settings. Now, this is what my settings look like, and I want to go down to where it says display and touch. So I'm going to tap into here, and then you will see an option for screen timeout. I'm going to tap on this. So you can see before I tap on this that my screen will automatically go dark after 1 minute of inactivity. After 1 minute of not touching my phone will time out. We've got a number of options in terms of time. So you can do 15 seconds, 30 seconds, 1 minute, 2 minutes, 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 30 minutes. Then again, on my phone, I don't know if other phones have this option, but basically it prevents your screen from turning off if you're looking at it. I am not going to turn that option on because I find that it runs down my battery a lot quicker because it's using a sensor to recognize if you're looking at your phone. Screen attention uses the front camera. So there we go. Screen attention uses the front camera to see if someone is looking at the screen. It works on device and images are never stored or sent to Google. Longer screen timeout will use more battery. So all you have to do is select your screen timeout and then hit the back button. And that is basically it. That's all you have to do to make your screen stay on longer.